All right, well, I came out here today to do a quick squirrel hunt right before dark, and I just was rolling up on this golf cart, and one took off running right over here. Ran up in one of these hickory trees and jumped over onto an oak tree, so I'm gonna go see if I can ambush him real quick. We don't have much time. It's gonna get dark fast. And these squirrels, they like to go hide right before dark, before all the critters come out. All the coyotes and all that, you know. So let's get some of this 7.5 shot in case he starts to try to run. I didn't see where he went because I was talking to the camera, but that's all right. They won't be able to get away with this. They can't get away from this shotgun very easy. Come on, get in there. I ain't got time. Get in there. Okay, here we go. We don't hardly hunt them very much in here, so I'm not really scared of anything, but I can hear him barking. Where did you go? Huh? Where'd you go? So he jumped on that tree, he ran across the ground, jumped on that tree, went up 10 feet and jumped into this one. I hear you barking. I hear 2 or 3 different ones. It's getting a little bit late, so it's going to make it harder, but got out here just a few minutes later than I prefer. And the cool thing is you don't really have to be quiet because they're used to noise over here. People be beating, banging on stuff all the time, you know, driving through here on carts. And I can hear them, I just can't see them yet. Where are you hiding? There he is right here. That was easy. Where's the next one? They weren't even 15 feet up there on that one. I knew he had to still be in that tree. See this hole right here? It's where them coons would be living in there. Wow, that's a nice one. Wow, that didn't take long. I ain't been out here 5 minutes. Yeah. Wow, another female. Wow, I think 2/3 of what I've shot this year has been females. I've only killed a couple males. So that's a nice one there. Sorry, girl. Your dinner. All right, I hear more of them barking. What's the odds of getting another one? Yeah, I just came down and looked around the side of that tree, and about 2/3 of the body was sticking out. So I could have stepped around a little bit and got a full-on shot, but at that close, at 20 feet, it would have just mangled her. All right, well, that was easy and quick. I'll try for another minute, and if I don't get anything, I'll just chop it off and edit it out or whatever. Let's just see what we can do here. There's a big old nest up in this hickory tree right here, and this hickory is my favorite tree on the property. It's been hit by lightning. You can tell some of the bark and everything's messed up, but they got a big nest right up there. Well, that was fun. One day I came out here, it took me like 5 shots to get one. I'll upload that video too. I might upload this one first. See, I was over there talking. You see what I was saying? I was over there just yakking away as loud as I could so y'all could hear me. Didn't even run off. They ain't trying to run off. All right, well, that's good enough then. Good enough for this short, sweet video. I'll come out and get more daylight. I'll come out more. Let's go pick her up. Be funny if another one ran across. I've seen that happen before. Okay, well, that's pretty good. So, yeah. Nice specimen. Oh, wow, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Wow. Yeah, I wouldn't want to get bit by that. I wouldn't want to get bit. And sometimes they take them dogs out in the trees, you know, and they take them dogs out, and that squirrel fall out of the tree, it won't be dead, they'll bite the dog. And as soon as they bite the dog, you know, they learn real quick that next time they see a squirrel fall, they grab him by the neck and they shake him real hard. But yeah, it's getting late enough now. I'll just call it good. I'll call it good for this video. I'll do plenty more. There's so many of them in here, nobody hunts them anymore. So, well, let me know what you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll definitely be uploading a ton more. They'll be even more fun than this. So, all right, I'll catch you later. All right, I just got back with the squirrel. Let's go see what these cats think. Come here, Freddy. Hey, Freddy, what do you think? What is this? What is it, huh, buddy? Yeah, we're about to have a fight. Come over here and look. Yeah, what is this? Quit stretching and look. Yeah, you're gonna be, oh, he's biting him. Don't bite your brother. Oh, you gonna get aggressive? Yeah. Whoa, no, hold on, Bubba, gotta have it. No, look, even the kittens are interested, aren't you? Huh? What is that? Oh boy, we're gonna have a fight. No, let go. Come on, Joshy. All right, well, I'll catch you on the next one. That was pretty fun. So don't forget to subscribe for more.